Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about how to use Cleo's roundup feature for saving spare change. Now, Cleo's roundup helps you to passively save by rounding up purchases and saving the difference. So here's how to enable roundup. First you got to do is to open the Cleo app, of course, and go to the Save tab. And there you're gonna tap roundup under savings options. You may need to enable Cleo Plus. Next, you gotta link your spending account if it's not already connected, of course. But if it's not, just go ahead and link your spending accounts, and then Clear will track each purchase, and they'll round up to the nearest dollar. That is, if you have $3.45, it becomes $4. So save the spare change. That's the 0.55 cents. In this case, it's gonna be saved to your wallet. Now, tip for you guys, it's a great low effort way to build savings in the background, and Clio may batch roundups and deposit them weekly. So you get to save money while not really being fully aware of it, because those spare change don't really seem like much, but when rounded up to within a week, it could be significant. So yeah, that's a pretty great feature from Clio. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.